And so she imported two German dowsers to go and find the tin mines and also the copper mines in Cornwall and Cumberland, and provided that for the ships. And there's a whole science of hydrology, which is about rainfall falling on the ground, and some of it flowing straight into rivers, but the majority of it soaking into the ground, going through underground caverns, was percolating through the soil and eventually finding its way into underground aquifers. And aquifers can be in the form of great big underground lakes, or more frequently underground streams. And that's where we as dowsers come in, because you need to be able to locate precisely to get onto the underground streams. And if you get in between one of those streams, you get nothing. If you get onto one of those streams, you find the water you need. I'll first do a check before I go on site to look at the geology, to find the likely depths and the kind of the sort of things I'm going to find. You're going to pay a driller at least £100 a metre to drill that. So 20 metres is £2,000, 50 metres is £5,000. So then you've got to line it, then you've got to put pumps in there. You don't want it too shallow in most cases, because that's going to dry up in a dry year because there's not enough water behind it. Or if you have a series of dry years, say 3 dry years, then you might find your well dries up. And so the best balance between not costing too much and having a good guaranteed supply is between 25 and 50 metres. It's a fundamental ability that we all, and skill that we all have, that's just not used much these days. But you can train yourself to use your intuitive powers. It's just that we're very focused on water, and we're very good at finding water. Because if you don't have to go back that many thousands of years when we were all wandering the earth before we did agriculture, and that if particularly weaker members of the tribe, say babies and the elderly, don't survive that long without water, and therefore you had to find it and find it quickly. So it's of enormous benefit for us to be able to dowse. Find a culvert or a bridge over an actively flowing stream. Buy yourself some rods like these, and you hold them like you would sort of pistols, or dueling pistols, like this. So what I'd like you to do is to bring them gently together, so they crosses. No, let them rotate rather than bringing your hands together. That's right, perfect. And keep them coming, right in close. Perfect. Now I want you to reset, so I want you to drop them down, let your arms flop down, and then just touch your knuckles together like that, and then come back up. When you walk over the side of the stream, they'll cross like that, and when you walk over and over and over the stream, and then at the other end they'll come undone like that. At first there will be a slow reaction, there'll be a delay, so that you might be, say, a quarter over the stream before they close, and there would be a distance after you've come from the stream before they would open again.